In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream on Kick. The first thing you need to do is log in to kick.com on any browsers that you have. So in here, just click on the channel icon and then select on settings. So in here, you can edit your profile. But for now, we are going to click on stream key. So this is the key we need to use to add to our application for streaming so that we can stream successfully. So what we need to do first is open a new tab and then download an application for streaming. Just type in Slabs or Streaming OBS and click the first one you can see. So this is for beginners because it's really simple to navigate and you can input a lot of stuffs here. So once you open this one, press on download Streamlabs desktop and then it will download into your computer and you can just install it later on. So once you're done installing it, just go to your desktop and open the Streamlabs. So just wait for it to load up. So it says here, how do you plan to use Streamlabs desktop? So let's go for live streaming. So just click that one. Tap on continue. In here, you can choose whichever platform that you want, but I'll skip this for now. So you can also set up your mic and webcam. But for now, I will skip this one. So in here, you can also add a theme that you want to use in your live streaming. But for now, I will skip this one. So choose your Streamlabs plan. Let's go for choose a starter. Now, to be able to stream to your Kick profile, you need to go into your settings at the bottom left and click on stream. So first, we need to change the stream type into custom streaming server. And then we need to copy the streaming key from the Kick profile and paste it here. So go back again to your browser. And then first we need to copy the stream URL. Just click this one and then go back to Streamlabs and paste it here. Once you're done, go back again to kick.com and then copy the stream key. Just go ahead and click the copy icon and then go back to Streamlabs and paste it here. So once you're done, just click on the done at the bottom to continue the process. And then in here, you can start editing or preparing before you go live. So you can add scenes, you can add source, and you can also customize your audio. So once you're done preparing, just go ahead and tap on go live. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.